Google adds end-to-end encryption to Gmail. Google announced on Friday that it is adding end-to-end encryption, E2EE, to Gmail on the web, giving enrolled Google Workspace users the ability to send and receive encrypted emails within and outside their domain. Client-side encryption, as Google calls E2EE, is already available for users of Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Google Meet, and Google Calendar Beta. This extra layer of security will ensure that any sensitive data delivered as part of the email's body and attachments, including inline images, cannot be decrypted by Google servers. The feature is currently available for Google Workspace Enterprise Plus, Education Plus, and Education Standard customers. They can apply for the beta until January 20, 2023 by submitting their Gmail CSE beta test application. The feature is not yet available to users with personal Google accounts or other Google Workspace subscription tiers. Once enabled, users can toggle on the encryption for any message by clicking the lock icon next to the recipient's field and clicking Turn On under the Additional Encryption option. This will enable users to compose their Gmail messages and add email attachments as they would normally do. Google Workspace already uses the latest cryptographic standards to encrypt all data at rest and in transit between its facilities, and with the addition of client-side encryption, the company hopes to strengthen the confidentiality of user data while helping to address a broad range of data sovereignty and compliance needs.